The eyes are not just for seeing. Out here, they are weapons of data collection.
Chaos is the enemy. Preparation is the only religion I practice. 50 pounds of gear. It doesn't feel heavy anymore. It feels like a second skin.
Every step counts. One loose lace can cost a life. The rifle is cold steel. My job is to make it look like a living branch. Leaving the world of men. Entering the world of the hunter. The forest doesn't care who you are. It only respects silence. We are ghost walkers, navigating grid squares where no one dares to go.
And just like that, I disappear.
The stalk. Inches per minute. Becoming one with the dirt.
Nature crawls over you. You don't flinch. You are a rock.
Rain is an ally. Rain washes away scent. Rain hides sound.
Patience isn't a virtue here. It's a biological requirement.
Hydrate. Blink. Breathe. But never, ever move.
Searching for the anomaly. Anything that doesn't belong.
If the animals don't see you, the enemy won't see you.
Dead vegetation looks fake. You have to wear the living forest.
Hunger is a distraction. You eat cold mush and you like it.
Sleep is a luxury. Dozing with a finger on the safety is reality.
Dawn. The most dangerous time of day. The shadows are long.
Elevation. Windage. Coriolis effect. The math of death.
Adrenaline is a poison. It makes you shake. You have to purge it.
Rock steady. The ground and the gun must become one unit.
Focus. Clarity. The world narrows down to a single point.
The slack is gone. The wall is here.
2 seconds of flight time. Impact. Kinetic energy transfer complete.
Leave no trace. Shadows don't leave trash behind.
The shot is only half the mission. Getting out alive is the rest.
Back into the void. Fade into the texture of the world.
Washing off the monster. Trying to find the man underneath. Mission accomplished. But the silence comes home with you. They say war changes you. I say it reveals you.
This rifle saved my life. I return the favor.
The memories blur together. Just a series of moments in the scope.
Until the next time the phone rings.